I'm going to tell you how to use Kalshi for money. And yes, some people actually hit over $1,000 a day doing it. But it's not as simple as it sounds. Kalshi is basically a real money exchange where you trade on real world events. Like, will the Fed raise interest rates this month? Or will gas price goes above by $3.50 by next week? You buy yes or no contracts. If you're right, you get $1 per contract. If you're wrong, you get zero. So if you buy it at 30 cents and the event happens, that's a 70-cent profit per contract. Now, to scale that up, you'd need volume, timing, and good sense of how markets react to news. The trick is spotting when the market misprices an event, like when the odds don't reflect reality, and then loading up before everyone else catches on. Most successful traders focus on short term, high liquidity markets like economic reports or political incomes because you can flip trades faster and reinvest the same capital several times a day. But here's the truth, you need discipline, bankroll management, and thick skin for losses because even experts get burned sometimes. Kalshi is fully regulated, so it's legit, but it's still trading, not free money. Learn how to analyze probabilities, start small, and once you understand how events move prices, that's when you can start chasing real profits. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.